Hello everyone, today we'll be learning about volleyball. The game of volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan of USA. He designed the game to be a combination of basketball, baseball, tennis and handball. Volleyball was introduced for the very first time in the Olympics in 1964 in Tokyo. In 1964, a variation of this game, beach volleyball, was played for the first time. In 1951, the Volleyball Federation of India was established, and since then, the national team has participated in several international championships like Asia Championship, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, etc. Measurements and specifications. The playing court is a rectangle measuring 18 meters by 9 meters. Free zone area is 3 meters to 5 meters on all sides of the playing court. The width of the boundary lines is 5 centimeters. Officials of the match are 2 referees, 1 scorer and 4 linemen. Weight of the ball is 260 to 280 grams. Circumference of the ball is 65 to 67 centimeters. The net's dimension is 9.5 meters by 1 meter. The height of the net from the ground is 2.43 meters for men, and the height of the net from the ground for women is 2.24 meters. Number of players in each team is 6, excluding extras. Number of substitute is 6. Number of antennas is 2. Length of the antenna is 1.8 meters. Thickness of the antenna is 10 millimeters. Height of antenna is 80 centimeters above the net. Important terminology. Ace, a serve that is not returned and results immediately in a point. Antenna, the vertical rods, white and red, mounted near the edges of the net to indicate out of bounds along the sideline. Approach, fast stride towards the net by a spiker before he jumps in the air. Assist, passing the ball to a teammate who attacks the ball for a shot or smash. Attack, the offensive action or attempt of hitting the ball. Attacker, a player who attempts to hit a ball, also called hitter or spiker. Block, a defensive play by one or more players meant to deflect a spiked ball back to the hitter's court. Boosting, lifting the ball up for the smasher to smash. The player who does this is called booster or setter. Dig, passing a spiked ball or passing an attacked ball close to the floor. Double hit, successive hits or contacts by the same player, which is illegal. Expulsion, a player or coach is expelled and is not allowed to play further if he repeatedly performs misconduct. He is not even allowed to sit over a team bench. Warning is expressed verbally, penalty by the yellow card, expulsion by the red card and disqualification by red and yellow cards jointly. Hit, to jump and strike the ball with an overhand forceful shot. Jump serve, a serve in which the server tosses the ball into the air, jumps up and hits the ball in its downward motion. Let serve, a serve that contacts the net. If the ball dribbles, it's playable just like any other ball. Libero, a defensive player positioned at the rear half and is not limited by regular rules of rotation. Overhand pass, a pass executed with both hands open, controlled by the fingers and the thumb, played just above the forehead. Rally, it is the continuous exchange of hits between the teams. Team winning the rally gets the service. Red card, a severe penalty in which an official displays a red card. The result of a red card may be a player is disqualified. Team loses the serve or the team loses a point. A red card may be given with or without a prior yellow card as a warning. It is up to the official's discretion. Rotation, the clockwise movement of players around the court and through the serving position during the game. Technical timeout, a technical timeout of 60 seconds duration is taken when the leading team reaches the 8th and the 16th points. Underhand serve, a serve in which the ball is given a slight underhand toss from about the waist height and then struck with the opposite closed fist in an underhand pitching motion. General rules of the game. Volleyball is a sport played by two teams on a playing court divided by a net. The object of the game is to send the ball over the net in order to ground it on the opponent's court and to prevent the same effort by the opponent. Let service is allowed in volleyball. Use of colored ball is also permitted in competitions. The ball is put in play with a service hit by the server over the net to the opponents. The rally continues until the ball is grounded on either side of the playing court, goes out, or when a team fails to return it properly. During each possession of the ball, a team can only have 3 contacts with the ball known as a pass, a set, and a hit. These are also called bump, set, and spike. Teams score points whenever the other teams cannot return the ball. Most matches are now played for winning 3 out of 5 games. The first 4 sets are of 25 points each and the 5th set is for 15 points. You can make a maximum of 6 substitutions per set. A ball can touch any part of the body and it must be hit, not held or thrown. Duties of the referee. He is responsible for fair play in the match. He is the final authority on the rules and regulations from the start to the end of the match. Referee performs toss before the start of the match. He has the final say on every decision of the match. Duties of the scorer. He takes notes of all the proceedings of the match in a chronological order along with the points gained, time, and substitutions made. He makes a record of all the fouls made by each player of the team. He records personal foul and technical fouls separately. He maintains a score sheet with all the details of each player. Duties of linesmen. There are 4 to 6 linesmen in a match. They are basically responsible for assisting the referee in case of infringement of boundary line rules. However, their assistant may be overruled by the referee. Fundamental skills and techniques. Serving. Each point starts with a serve. The server steps behind the line at the back of the court called the end lines and has freedom to serve from wherever he pleases as long as his foot does not touch or cross the line. The techniques of service are as follows. The server should stand in the service area with the body facing towards the net. While holding the ball in the left hand and one foot ahead of the other, with open palm and elbow slightly bent, the right arm should be swung back with such a skill and timing that as the ball comes down, it should be struck with a forward swing of the arm. Passing. This is the first part in 3-part sequence. The players need to pass the ball to the setters. The passers use their fingers to pass the ball with both hands using forearms. Setting. Setting is the second contact of the ball. In a set, the player uses the finger pads to launch the ball high in the air towards hitters. The fingers should be in a diamond shape to start and they should finish outward. It is also termed as tip or lift. Hitting or spike. Attacking the ball is all about timing and precision. The goal of the third hit or spike is to make the ball difficult for the opposing team to return. Players spiking should have excellent judgment to perceive the direction of the ball and balance the body to lift it while hitting the ball forcefully. The aim is to land the ball on the floor of the opponent's team. Blocking. This is a defensive technique where the player blocks the offensive shots and tries to shoot them back to the opponent. The blocking can be done by 1, 2, or 3 players according to the standard of the match. For one man blocking, the player stands close to the net, face towards it. The player should try to interrupt the ball by taking a jump and raising his hands above the net. Lifts. Tip or lift is a rally technique used during the match. The tip is a transitory move between reception and attack. It is made with an upward movement of the arms and legs. Contact with the ball is with the fingertips without touching the palm. A player specialized in lifting is known as booster or setter. Bump or underarm lift. Bump is a defensive skill keeping the ball from falling, receiving serve and offensive skill as it provides good chance to tip the ball for the spiker. Bump is the first contact of the ball. The bump provides the transition between defense and attack. One hand lift. This is an advanced technique to lift the far away falling ball towards the side. In this, a player has less chance to move to the place where the ball is falling towards the side of the players. Then he extends one arm to lift the ball. Thus, the ball can be lifted for further play.